Convex Special Edition T5. Okay, how to set Canbus. Go to full menu. Car setting. System setting. Factory password. Factory setting. Password is 20146699. Confirm. So you have to go to Can type set. Okay, Can type set. Okay, example. Example for Volkswagen Passat. Okay, Canbus is race. A brand, you have to choose your car brand model. Volkswagen. Okay, Volkswagen Passat or Volkswagen CC. Just for sample for Volkswagen Passat. Then you can choose your years. Okay, 2013 or successful with automatic 3-second restart. So Canbus set. Car model Volkswagen Passat. This is for Convex Special Edition. How to set your Canbus for high spec car model. Video by One Beast. Thank you.